Welcome to Fruits Fun with Jack. Let's learn colorful fruit names together. Are you ready for a fruity adventure? Come and play with Jack.
This is an apple. An apple is a healthy fruit. It is red, shiny, and juicy. Apples are sweet and delicious. Kids love tasty apples. This is a banana. A banana is a soft yellow fruit. It is sweet and healthy.
Bananas give energy to our body.
Kids love yummy bananas. This is a mango. A mango is a sweet tropical fruit. It is juicy and delicious. Mangoes are rich in vitamins. Kids love tasty mangoes. This is an orange. An orange is a juicy citrus fruit. It is round and colorful. Oranges are full of vitamin C.
Kids love sweet oranges.
These are grapes. Grapes are small, juicy fruits. They grow in big bunches. Grapes are sweet and healthy. Kids love yummy grapes. This is a pineapple. A pineapple is a tropical fruit. It has a rough skin and spiky leaves. Pineapples are sweet and juicy. This is a papaya. A papaya is a tropical fruit. It is soft, sweet, and juicy. Kids have many small black seeds. This is a watermelon. A watermelon is a big, juicy fruit. It has green skin and red flesh. Kids love yummy watermelons. This is a muskmelon. A muskmelon is a sweet summer fruit. It has a rough outer skin. The inside is soft and juicy.
This is a strawberry.
A strawberry is a sweet red fruit. It has tiny seeds on the outside. Strawberries are juicy and delicious. Kids love yummy strawberries.
These are blueberries.
Blueberries are small blue fruits.
They are sweet and juicy.
Blueberries are healthy and tasty. Kids love yummy blueberries. This is a kiwi. A kiwi is a small tropical fruit. It has brown fuzzy skin. The inside is green and juicy.
Kids love tasty kiwis.
This is a pomegranate. A pomegranate is a juicy red fruit. It has many shiny seeds inside. The seeds are sweet and healthy. Kids love tasty pomegranates. This is a guava. A guava is a tropical fruit.
It has green skin and soft pink flesh.
Guavas are sweet and healthy.
Kids love tasty guavas.
This is a lychee. A lychee is a sweet tropical fruit. It has rough pink skin. The inside is white and juicy. Kids love tasty lychees. These are cherries. Cherries are small red fruits. They are sweet and juicy. Cherries grow on trees. Kids love yummy cherries.
This is a pear.
A pear is a sweet, juicy fruit. It has soft green skin. Pears are healthy and delicious. Kids love tasty pears. This is a peach. A peach is a soft, juicy fruit. It has fuzzy skin and a sweet taste. Peaches are healthy and delicious. This is a plum. A plum is a sweet, juicy fruit. It has smooth purple skin. Plums are soft and delicious. Kids love tasty plums. This is a coconut. A coconut is a tropical fruit. It has a hard brown shell. The inside is white and tasty. Kids love yummy coconuts.